We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock sitting sideways and trying to bring itself back up from this dip area. And we're going to talk about some important key levels. You're definitely going to want to stick around today for today's video, but it wasn't the only stock sitting sideways or slightly going lower. The overall market pulled downwards and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 10:20 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 3 to 4x on the day, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive that edge and clarity over the charts. And you can now join the members using it and using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that edge and clarity in either direction. So here we are with Aterian stock slightly trying to pull upwards. 42 vision is showing some interesting stuff, and ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators are as well. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% jumps. But the home run of the day turned out to be CYN. We caught this one pulling downwards in the pre-market and towards the bell, gained strength, got that bull indicator, and within the volatility, hit a highest point of 40% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock trying to push itself back upwards. It did find a bottom here so far. We need to see if it could hold it up after hitting extreme weakness here on 42 vision. And I did state in yesterday's video that it had not hit extreme weakness since way back here at the beginning of April within this whole entire run. This is definitely a point to be watching this. And it dipped a little bit lower from where we saw it go to the lowest point yesterday of 452 to lows here of 420, bounced back up and has nearly went up 20% plus on that bounce, and it's trying to continue in that upward direction. Now, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources by having that edge and clarity within the volatility in either direction that the chart is going, guys. That's what it's all about, having that clarity. Avoid the FOMO, avoid the chasing, and focusing on what matters. So here we are with Aterian stock canceling out this bear indicator, okay? And that's what we were looking for here with Aterian. We wanted this to hit that dip area right after we saw it reach these levels, find a support, try to reverse and cancel out this bear indicator, followed by a bull indicator. Now we need this bull indicator to hold true based off the 30-minute. But let's look at the 4-hour and the 1-day as well. And then we're going to come over here and break down some key support levels and resistance levels. So on the 4-hour, you could see it's still under a bear indicator here since $5.75, but it is trying to reverse here and come back up. Now, after market hours, this turned into a red bar that does have to be watched very carefully into tomorrow, but it's trying to turn around from red bars to red with green borders, and we want to see this continue with those dark green with red borders, and then also getting a bull indicator in the process if it pushes up strong enough, right? So right now, still under a bear indicator on the 4-hour. Now, on the 1-day, things have continued to shift downwards. We went from bright green to bright green with red borders to dark green, and I stated in my previous videos that we needed to watch this carefully if these shifts happen, but we still are under a bull indicator here on the 1 day. But this is something to watch. If it continues into a red bar and followed by a bear indicator, definitely something to keep in mind. But on the 1 day, we still have a bull indicator. On the 4 hour, we still have a bear indicator. And on the 30-minute, we just got a bull indicator. And we're going to break down the key levels that we want to watch and be aware of going into tomorrow and even going into next week. So we got this going into a bull indicator and trying to get that momentum so far. It went from 424 hitting that low here, bouncing back up to $5 and some change. And right now it's at $4.74 after market hours. Now, to the downside, the first support I'll watch is down here at $3.93, and then below that would be all the way down here at $3.31. Those are the key levels right now to the downside to see if the bulls are trying to bring this back up or if the bears are turning this one down fairly fast. Now, to the upside, the first level of resistance is up here at 514, and you could see there on the history of the chart, yesterday I tried to come up and rejected it. Today I rejected it again. So 2 times it's rejected. It definitely needs to be broken through and turn into a support to show some strength. We want this bull indicator to maintain dominance over the chart and then break through those resistance levels and hold true and have those transitions to the upside and continue the momentum and not get negated by a bear indicator. So those 2 rejections there, super important up here at 514. And then above that, the next resistance level will be up here at 578. That would be the key levels right now going into tomorrow. And if there's enough momentum and it breaks above 578, well, then we have $6 being a significant level of strength. Trying to hold itself above that will be super important overall in the bigger picture and to show that the bulls have strength over this chart and some type of dominance and not allowing the bears to shake them out. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some